Hello from Värmdö and this super secluded, spontaneous nudist beach spot on the sea on the last hot day this year in Sweden. 27 degrees even this late in the afternoon, almost 5 p.m. and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. And I have found this spot spontaneously. I have been to Vishamn before, but I was on the other end towards west. But now I try to walk along another path and I realize it's going to be very difficult to get to the other end. So I just opted for this spot because it looks absolutely magnificent out on the open sea and I'm all alone. It was not so easy to get here, as some people will not come by as it is not marked on the map, but it is very huge and nice formation of rocks here on the sea. And I'm all alone here on this 17th of July. And a super hot day. The last hot day probably this year in Sweden, and I'm curious how warm it is in the water before I go in for a swim. It will be refreshing and also amazing. Yesterday at Björnoljökvik, which is not so far away from here, maybe 3 kilometers or 4, it was 18 degrees Celsius in the sea, and here we have 20 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure if that is correct measured, so I will put in the thermometer a few more seconds in. Yes, it's correct measurement. Since yesterday it was hot enough to warm up the sea. But also here it is a bit closed circuit, even though it's connected to the open sea. And it's time for another beach adventure with Chris, beach the number 94. It's gonna be a nice swim and enjoy while we can. So let's get going and enjoy a nice swim in the sea. Now from here it's not possible to jump as the rocks are a bit connected with other rocks inside, but it's going to be, as further you go in, it will be brilliant indeed. Such a lovely place indeed, I love it. Okay, here I found one part that doesn't have algae or plants, so we say ready, set, and go! Oh my god, it's amazing. Such a beautiful spot. Now the water here, it seems like it has a bit of algae, so I will try not to consume the water. And very amazing nature indeed. Vishamn, located in Värmdö. Perfect also to swim here, as it is also quite nice temperature both in the sea and in the air. But it seems that the hot weather will disappear this weekend, and let's see if it's gonna be reappearing sometime in August. But yeah, Swedish nature all around, and you can find so many amazing beach spots like this in the Swedish nature. Cool. Now I'm gonna swim a bit more But thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!